morning all of you student. So we have to see here the subject of atom and molecule physics of TY BSc. First chapter is continue, that is the atomic structure, and in this chapter we have to continue the point of the vector atom model. In this vector atom model, so the idea about the two point is there, the concept of the space quantization and the concept of the spinning of the electron. Because of last lecture was seen by the Bohr model of an atom, and Bohr and Sommerfeld theory could not explain the phenomena of the fine structure of the hydrogen spectrum, Zeeman effect, Stark effect with respect to the spectral line of the atom, and electrons revolves around the nucleus is also could not explain the Bohr and Sommerfeld theory. So we want to study the vector model of an atom, and last lecture we have to see the theory of the space quantization. So continue for this part. So that is first part is the space quantization. Okay, so what is mean by space quantization? So that means the electrons orbits are quantized in the space. Electron orbit are quantized in the space, that is known as the space quantization. And quantize means that the many discrete state according to the quantum mechanics. So we have to see here, so according to the quantum mechanics, that three quantum numbers, that n, k and r are replaced by the quantum number of the n, k, m, where n is the principal quantum number, k is the azimuthal quantum number, and r is the radial quantum number. When the motion of single electron of hydrogen like atom has been confined to the 2 degree of freedom, so consider atom of hydrogen like atom confined 2 degree of freedom. Okay, and because of this, if 2 degree of freedom, that atom consider has the 2 quantum numbers out of 3, that is the quantum numbers are the numbers are n, k and r. Okay, if we consider these electrons has confined 3 degree of freedom, if this electron has confined 3-dimensional space, so that electron confine the 3 degree of freedom, and here if 3 degree of freedom, here 2 degree of freedom, so 2 quantum numbers out of 3, and if here 3 degree of freedom, then have here the 3 quantum numbers, 3 quantum numbers. Okay, so here 2 quantum numbers for hydrogen like atom, if we consider the 3-dimensional, so 3 degree of freedom, so 1 degree of freedom is here extra, so additional of 1 degree of freedom, so this does not affect on the shape and size of an atom. Okay, so this additional quantum numbers does not affect on size and shape of atom. Okay, so only but here result on the orientation, so that specifies the orientation of the orbit with respect to some direction in the space. So that does not affect the effect on the size and shape of the atom. So it has specifies orientations of particular directions. Okay, so if we have considered 3 degree of freedom or 3-dimensional space, so one additional quantum number is there, and that quantum number does not affect the shape and size of an atom, but it have orientation numbers of the particular direction. So if I consider the external magnetic field apply on the atom, or atom is placed in the external magnetic field, so that have the fixed axis which is considered as the magnetic field direction atom have corresponding to the electrons, and that concept will be seen in the last lecture, and that's why coming the quantum numbers are the n, k and m. So this n, k, m are considered the principal quantum number, azimuthal quantum number, and m is the magnetic quantum number. And after that we here see this n, k, m are replaced by the 3 quantum numbers is n, l and ml. Okay, so the quantum number n, k, r are replaced by the quantum number which is n, l and ml. You know that n is the principal quantum number. We have to know that l is nothing but the orbital quantum number, and ml is the orbital magnetic quantum number. ml is the orbital magnetic quantum number. Okay, so and you have to know that n is the principal quantum number. Okay, so here we have to see what is the relation between this n, that is principal quantum number, l is the orbital quantum number, and ml is the orbital magnetic quantum number. So the values of the quantum numbers are the values of quantum numbers is given by, so L, so L n is the principal quantum number, so that has value 1 2 3 up to the infinity, correct. So value of orbital quantum number, so that value is going from 0 to n minus 1, correct. So that is given by, or see in the form, so that is given by 0 comma 1 comma 2 up to the n minus 1, and this ml value is given by minus L 2 plus L, so that is given by minus L plus 1 minus L plus 1 0 L minus 1 L minus 2 L something that, so value or ml is given by minus L plus 1 0 L minus 1 and L, okay. So these are the values of the quantum numbers, and gives this equation number is the 34, okay. So briefly discuss about these quantum numbers. So see here, according to the quantum mechanics, orbital angular momentum of an electron, okay. So we have to know idea for n, L and ml. So according to this, we have to find out the orbital angular quantum number, or orbital angular momentum of the electron. So according to the quantum mechanics, the orbital angular momentum angular momentum of an electron is, so you know that angular momentum notation is L. So orbital angular momentum is considered as the L bar is equal to under root of L into L plus 1. So this is the orbital angular momentum. This L is the orbital quantum number. So this given by under root of L into L plus 1 in bracket, so bracket complete, so into h upon 2 pi, okay. So this is the relation of the orbital angular momentum of an electron. So this gives the equation number 34, okay. And suppose we have to know that what is mean by this h upon 2 pi. So h upon 2 pi is nothing but the h cross. So simply we have write for this orbital angular momentum, so that L bar is equal to L into L plus 1 into h cross, right, in this term, okay. And also see here the projection of orbital angular momentum on the direction of the magnetic field h bar, okay. So the projection of L bar the projection of L bar on the direction of magnetic field H bar, on the direction of magnetic field H bar is given. So that projection operator, we have considered the magnetic field is along the fixed vertical line. So along this projection operator, so that is considered as the LZ, so along the Z axis. So magnitude which is given by the projection operator, so that LZ is equal to ml into h upon 2 pi, ml into h upon 2 pi. This ml is considered as the orbital magnetic quantum number. So simply this is considered as the Lz is equal to ml h cross. Okay. So see here what is mean by the space quantization, and give the magnitude value of the orbital angular momentum of electron is here. L bar is equal to L into L plus 1 h upon 2 pi, where L bar is the orbital angular momentum and small l is the orbital quantum number. Simply here the projection operator on the orbital angular momentum on direction of the fixed magnetic field. What is mean by that fixed magnetic field or along the H bar? Because this is apply atom in the magnetic field, so that have magnetic field apply on this, and which is along the Z axis, which is along the fixed Z axis, and this projection operator is also has the direction of this Z axis, so that is LZ direction is also there, projection is also there. So here ml is the orbital magnetic quantum number. So we want to see here the represent the space quantization of orbital angular momentum. So see here so represent space quantization of orbital angular momentum. Okay. So for example, we have to consider here L is equal to 2 and L is equal to suppose 3. Okay. So if L is equal to 2, so what is the value of the ml? Okay. So we have to see that the value of ml, so ml is considered as minus l comma minus l plus 1 comma 0 comma l minus 1 and l. So see here l is what? 2, so minus sign, so minus 2 comma minus 2 plus 1 comma 0 comma l minus 1, that is 2 minus 1 and 2. So gives This value is given as -2, -1, 0, 1 and 2. Okay, so how much value? -2, -1, 0, 1 and 2. So this is the 5 value. So that value is depends on the orientation number. Orientation number. Okay, because few minutes ago, see here, so if electron consider as the three-dimensional space, so consider three-dimensional space has a 3 quantum number. Previous theory add here one additional quantum number, and these additional one quantum number does not affect on the shape and size of the atom, but it has the orientation of the quantum numbers. So that orientation of quantum numbers is given by 2l plus 1. Correct? If we see here how much orientation of vector is there, so that is given by 2 into 2, because l is here 2, so 2l plus 1. Okay, so for l is equal to 2, so then is given by 2 into 2 plus 1, so that is orientation number is given by 5. So that's why here given by the ml is -2, -1, 0, 1, 2, that have the 5 times. Okay, and if we see the space quantization of orbital and angular momentum is figure here. So how the figure like the orientation, so that have considered the like external magnetic field, so that apply h bar on the fixed z axis, and